How to reset Gmail settings to default? Here's how. Open Gmail on your computer. Click the gear icon in the top right corner to open Quick Settings. Under Density, select Default. Under Theme, choose the standard Light theme. Under Inbox Type, select Default. Under Reading Pane, select No Split. Now, click See All Settings. In the General tab, check your language setting and select your preferred language. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. After Gmail reloads, click the gear icon again and select See All Settings. Go to the Inbox tab. Under Categories, review the options and turn off Promotions if you want to return to a simpler default inbox layout. Scroll down and click Save Changes. That's it. You've reset the main Gmail layout and account settings back to their default style options. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Gmail tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.